Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. I was just out here trying to double fire roll this magnolia leaf, and it came so close to igniting on the first rolling. I wonder how well it would do if you tried to get rid of as much moisture as possible before you tried to fire roll it. That smells pretty good, actually. I bet you that's gonna fire roll. Got some good char in there. I'm gonna fire roll that. You know, if you do happen to get an amber by double fire rolling, it's only the weakest of embers. It's not a sure thing that you're going to get flames out of something that weak. Apparently, squeezing as much moisture out of that leaf as possible before I double fire rolled it was key to getting ignition. Alright y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in the drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. My pine needles are too dense. That's why it's doing that.